Oh, that's chicken. There's no way it's a mushroom.
Hi everybody. So thanks for joining us today. We're gonna do a food video, which is obviously a little different from what we usually do, cruise videos and like adventure videos. But with COVID and everything, I don't know about you guys. Obviously, we're stuck in the house, and so we're trying new things. And one of the things we're trying is to eat like vegetarian or plant-based food. So we were thinking what a comfort food would be good, and we thought fried chicken, but I'm not eating chicken. I don't really like chicken. So we decided to go ahead and look up a recipe, and we found a recipe for fried oyster mushrooms that supposedly taste like chicken. So we're going to make those today, and we're also going to make a Cajun fried potato salad, and we're going to make that with vegetarian and vegan ingredients as well. So let's get started. For the Cajun potato salad, you're going to need about 6 potatoes, 1 jalapeno pepper, 1 bell pepper, 1 green onion, vegetable oil to fry the potatoes in. We're going to season with some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and we're going to add some Frank's Red Hot, and we are using vegan mayonnaise. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is cut these potatoes into bite-sized pieces so that we can fry them up. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is dice up a bell pepper. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do is dice up and de-seed and then dice up a jalapeno. I like to wear rubber gloves because if you touch your face or your eyes or your nose, or you shouldn't touch your nose while you're doing this, but if you do, it burns like heck. So I like to go ahead and wear the rubber gloves, and then you're pretty safe. Okay, and so the next thing I'm going to do is finely chop the green parts of a green onion. Okay, and one last minute addition here. We are going to add in some pickles. We're going to chop up some pickles, dill pickle. My husband kind of insisted on it since that's what you put in, like a regular potato salad. So we will go ahead and chop some up because why not? Okay, so now we have fried the potatoes and put them, on some paper towels to soak up some of that extra oil so they're nice and dry and ready to go. So we're going to add all of our ingredients together into the bowl. So we're going to first do some vegan mayo. Did not know this was a thing, but it is. I got mine at Meijer, so you can probably get it pretty much anywhere except Jewel, apparently, because they didn't have any. So we're going to add that, the vegan mayo, the hot sauce, the salt and pepper, garlic and onion powders, the diced pickle that Jeremy insisted on, and the red bell pepper, and the green onions and the jalapeno. So we're gonna mix all of that together. Part of me thinks maybe we'll need some more mayonnaise here because we have a lot of potatoes to add in here, but this should be nice and spicy. So let's add the potatoes. Here are crispy potatoes. Yum. Stop. But there's your Cajun fried potato salad. So the next thing is the mushrooms. And with the mushrooms, we marinated them once we received them. And we marinated them in unsweetened almond milk. So make sure you get the stuff that doesn't have any sugar added to it at all. That hot sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and we marinated it for about 6 hours. So it's been sitting in there. I have some just all-purpose flour here. And then I have some seasonings. I have some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and we have some Creole seasoning, which I feel like, I don't know, with fried chicken, should be a little spicy, Cajun-y. So we're gonna add all this. Into here. And stir it up a little bit. And then what we're gonna do is very carefully take these mushrooms, and they're in pockets. All right, now I kind of massaged this a little bit just when we put it together. So we're really gonna dredge the flour. Get it all coated. So now we have all that chicken put together, and we're gonna fry it up, and we'll be back with you after we get it done. All right. So we are all set now with our fried chicken and our fried potato salad. Now nobody said this was healthy, but let's see. Can't be that bad. Oh, good. Tastes like chicken.
Let me get a piece of that.
Now Jeremy's gonna give it a try.
Wow. Wow. Okay. That's good.
And you got your Cajun fried potato salad, which we made first. Got all those different flavors in there.
I am amazed at how close that is to actual chicken. That is really good. Wow. Well, there's some comfort.
Really good.
Yeah, there's some comfort food for you.
There is some comfort food for you. Enjoy. Stay healthy out there.